We will go now with the plate of the right arm. The first thing is to give the piece a basic color. Let's hide what we don't need, and let's add the base color. Let's lower a little the intensity, and we will start to paint the occlusion of all of these edges. Even this engraving, we need to paint it a little darker. And now we will start with this engraving we have in the plate. A little over here. This one here we will not paint totally, just only the upper part. We paint only the border at the top and a little at the bottom, but the center will leave it intact. We continue to paint all these plates we have here. It will be like 100 plates we have to paint, but well, they are small, so we will do that very fast. The markings, obviously, the scratches, we need to paint them darker. The good thing is that we are very used to this process. We already know step by step all the things we need to do, and as it is something very simpler, it is just more a matter of time. A little here in these scratches. There's also no need to be too precise on the scratch size, because what we are doing are stains. Some scratches up here. And now we continue with some stains in general. We already know it is good to not make these stains too intense, so we don't lose the tones we already have in the scratches. Let's go now with the dirt. Let's use the concrete. Over here. A little in this strip. We invert, hide it. With the intensity not so high, we will start to generate the stains. some more stains over here. Well, let's take a dark color, a little more intense, because some markings are very soft, and then doesn't look well. Let's continue with the next stage, and we're going to mark the lights and the peeling. This mark over here. Let's make some scratches a little bigger, so not all of them seems at the same size. That will be weird. The idea is that they are very varied. Some scratches over here. Well, the scratches in each one of these plates. And now, with a lighter color, we will start to make some more intense chimes. Some over here. Okay, we already have the first part of this plate, and now we will start with these strips. For this we will use a violet tone like this one, and we will paint the object. Let's go with another material, skin shade 4, and now with a darker tone we will start to make the occlusions of the piece. Let's lower a little the intensity, and now we can paint in these stripes. This isn't going to be a metallic plate, but it will be more like a cloth. For this case, we will use more soft strokes, with which an alpha I do not think will be very helpful. Let's paint the occlusion between these stripes. And now we will start to paint these details. The divisions we have here, we are going to paint them in a darker tone. Well, let's hide the piece we don't need. Let's paint these stripes here so that the piece looks more clear. Let's go to the upper side again and we will make some stains. Very softly. Ready over here. Let's go with the lower piece. Let's make some extra shades, and with that we will finish this video. The idea over here is that these need to look dirtier, they can be so clean. Well, let's go again with the metal one material. Okay, with this we have already finished the arm pieces, and we will continue with the shoulder.